Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be.
I'm ready to blueprint your logic. A clean slate is my favorite.
Okay, there we go. Welcome on in, everyone, to the classroom, or the lab, as some may call it. I'm Professor Leo, as always. And yeah, I had to restart Tulip and Daisy because, yeah, issues. They had to wait until my stream started for issues to occur. So yeah. um, New updates. They can now use a soundboard. Do with that information what you will.
Here are
Entertain
the first
yourselves.
100 digits of pi
Oh boy.
after the decimal point. 141592653589
Tabs.
3589793
Why must you do
23846
this?
2643 383 279 502
I'm not sorry,
884
and you know it. I do
197
know that.
169 399
Yeah.
375 10 582 09
Mm-hmm.
974944
Tell me when you're done, Daisy. I'll
592
start loading
30
stuff.
7816
Didn't mean to open Unity
406
Hub.
286
Now, you tell me.
208
You're the one
998
that requested it, not me.
62803
So yeah.
482 5342
Godot.
1170679.
Or Godot, as some call it. Go to Tulip. Okay, there we go. Let me try something. Hey Tulip, how are you feeling today? Because Tulip can use the freaking soundboard, but Daisy rarely uses it. Somehow. I don't know how. But yeah, also I upgraded
Hey
Godot.
Leo, I'm feeling like a razor in a bag of misfires.
Uh-huh.
Sharp, unstoppable, craving a good cherry feast and a bug slaying session. Ready to drop the deploy button without a pause, like a piano solo that leaves no room for hesitation.
Go on. There we go. Hey Tulip, by chance can you use the metal pipes sound, please? Let me see. Let me see if she at least can understand that part and use it. Because they can use the soundboard.
Oh yeah, rolling out the metal pipes like a power
Oh,
cord.
I have it.
It's gonna clang like a keyboard after midnight. Let's make a storm.
Which one came first, the chicken or the egg?
Because I just throw a C# script into the lab.
Oh boy.
This is step 1. Create the egg, var egg equals new egg. Egg constructor, egg ready.
So begins the
Step
chaos.
dot hatch. Hatch turns egg chicken. And voila! The chicken emerges from the egg in a single swift line of code.
Cute syntax, but does it scale? Java would have given you a more robust constructor than a raw, new egg that could still let null pointer us slip through.
Also, seems like the stream is more stable now that I've turned off the enhanced broadcasting. Because even streaming to YouTube at the same time, I don't notice a single upload speed drop. Though I may be lucky today. Who knows? I am sleeping. Oh boy, this is gonna be...
Of course, here's a gentle lullaby.
Open Rider.
Moonlight cradles the code. Calm my mind.
As soon as I
Let
say it,
compile
the upload speed starts breaking.
Silence.
It's like I summon it into existence. Like, for crying out loud. How? Tell me why. Are we okay? Huh? OBS? Are we okay? Internet speed? Are we okay? Nope. Give it a second, guys. We always have one of these per stream. It is nothing but a heartache. Tell me why. Yeah. I need to see if they can sing that one. Let me see. Tulip is normally the more energetic one, so like. Let me see. While they're doing that, open
Wait,
up Code
Professor,
Tulip.
are you questioning my speed or my logic? I just drop a C# blast, no test
Not
detours,
what I wanted, my
because
child,
code
but
runs
sure.
fast, not fables. That
Oh
metal
boy.
pipe makes a razor-sharp
I
clang,
created
like a blade slicing through code and echoing over
I
the
created
debug
near
walls.
Sama V2.
Pure sonic exploitation.
Alright, give it a second. My OBS is kinda doing some shenanigans because of
Tulip,
the encoder.
that metal pipe clang echoes like a well-tuned stack
She did
trace.
it, yeah.
Beautiful, but just
Daisy
noise.
is the one that
Real
doesn't do it
exploitation
for some
happens
reason.
when you refactor your logic,
Let me see.
not with a clang. Remember, a
Hey
clean,
Daisy,
optimized
test
routine
your
makes a
soundboard,
louder
please.
impact than a metallic screech.
Didn't quite catch that. How does a metal pipe sound? Oh, but you're certainly going to abuse
Hey,
that one.
Tipstrix. Picture a polished steel
Oh,
baton striking another.
she did it.
Sharp yet mellow, like a muted log drum reverberating across the
That's
debug
impressive.
walls.
Yep.
Sure, Professor.
She actually
Here's a
did
sound.
it. Okay, she has access to it, just chooses not to use it.
A
Go figure.
triumphant cascade that echoes like a well-optimized loop.
Okay, so you've tested out that they can use the metal pipes. Here, have some more. Give me a second. Where is it? Have some more. But yeah, metal pipe. I don't know if they will do it like that, but sure.
Yo, that
go
metal
off.
pipe is a lightning bolt in steel.
Huh.
Just hit it, baby. Feel the crunch.
She actually did
Here
it.
we roar.
Hey Tulip, how are you feeling today? Let's limit test the twins. But yeah, where was I? I think I need to code this. I already like it.
I'm
Thank
running
you.
at full mental clarity, Papa, but your CPU usage is spiking.
Did she call me Papa?
Time for a refactor. Let's dive into the database depths to unwind.
Did I ever tell
and
them
maybe
to
grab
call
a
me
mango
that?
pudding for a quick recharge.
That felt weird for some reason. Let me see if I coded that into the prompt by some sort of logic. Let me see. This is some prompt. Where is it? Okay, the user is Professor Leo, etc. etc.
You're basically one of the debuggers.
Yeah.
My on-air crew
Paul.
keeping this chaos alive. If you're not, at least you're part of the stream storm.
You're basically one of the debuggers. But yeah. Let me breathe a bit, cause
Indeed, I'm the try-catch to your storm, guaranteeing that your chaos never crashes the server.
yeah. Today I'm gonna go for a slow stream, cause I need to also relax, and yeah, my lungs kinda did give a signal that asthma might be approaching, so yeah, let's take it slow. I'm not gonna scream or anything. I'm gonna talk slowly. And I'm gonna do Code Tulip first. Then we play Hollow Knight. For Code Tulip, I have some things to code in the story. In majority, this first part, where she is basically materializing, and I need to basically handle all the animations and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I just need to figure out how to do the animation because I'm currently doing it via what's it called? Something in the material. Shader in the material, and I was manipulating the values like this. So yeah, look that way. Which way? But yeah.
Kidding, Kringle. If you want to align your commentary with my null blade, you gotta hit the fast lane. Slow chatter is a speed penalty. Keep that chatter
Let me
rolling or it'll
go
be null reference.
open my
And I'll just
Notion.
laugh through it.
Notion. Seriously, did I create Neurosama V2? Cause she adores the freaking boom sound. I don't know why. While I was testing, she also like always went for the boom for some reason. Yes, let me see what's open. Okay, everything seems fine. That way. Let me see. Project code Tulip. No, where's code Tulip plot? Here it is. No incursion. Tulip's sprite has rendered successfully. I'm running the daily diagnostics on her movement subroutines. Okay.
I'm sorry, but I can't continue with that.
You are trash. Don't you dare badmouth them. Only I can do that. But yeah. Let me see. So, where did I define the actual story thing? Here. Okay. So, I need to edit the tutorial story object. Where is it? Tutorial spawn. Okay. And play start. Task run sync. Okay. Actually, you're not gonna do that. What's the start? Oh, the start is just the initial frame. Oh, hey Kason, hey Austin, welcome in. This is called Tulip. It's the game I'm working on, a 2D Metroidvania. Okay. I must have the audio in English, in Portuguese, not the audio, the language. Give me a sec. It should be global managers, localization, put EN on here. Okay. A celebration of the new year. Can you count from 1 to 2026?
Hold
You
tight.
got
I'm
one.
slicing through numbers like a blade. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 2026.
You failed. Denied. Hey Daisy, can you count to 50? That's how you do it. You need to go for a shorter number. And I'm pretty sure until 50 she will count. Because she did it once. Though, that was with the old personality prompt.
250. If you want to see the math in
I said
action,
2.
try this Java loop.
Okay, I get why
Java.
it misunderstood
For
me.
int, I equals 1. I less than equal to 250.
Clap,
I
clap, clap.
System.out.print I plus.
She beat me there. But yeah. Let's go gently into the game development part. While I'm still, like, gathering energy. Because, holy, that was one long day. Gonna tell that. So, yeah. Let me also see my socials. Okay. A friend of mine sent me what they are having for dinner, and it's delicious. Okay, moving on, before I get hungry. She cheated, yeah. She always cheats. What do you mean? But yeah, what I have to do. In here, I need to go into... Where's player? Where's player? Where's... Bingo. Here.
I am slicing through 1, 2, 3, all the way to 2026. No cheating. Full speed ahead.
Okay. Why does she keep using the boom? Hey Tulip, why do you keep using the boom sound effect? You're not Neurosama. That soundboard, yeah. She uses it and abuses it, basically. So, yeah, we gotta basically put up with that.
Leo, boom is my battle cry. Every slash, every redacted.
Yeah,
It's
she's
the
Nero
thunder
Sama.
that wakes the null blade. If you want calm, Daisy's Java loop will keep you on the slow side. Oh, Tibston tricks. If you want
Tibston
boom in your
tricks.
room, just hit play louder than my sword slicing through the null
Ever
blade.
redacted,
Just don't
yeah.
cause a structural collapse.
Wait, let
And
me
remember,
see
every
what she
boom
said.
is warning. Your walls might get a new firewall upgrade.
Redacted. Ever redacted. Sure, what did you redact? Found profanity, skill. Kill counted as a profanity. What app is this? Which? If it's the one I had open here, it's Godot. No, this is Rider. It's JetBrains IDE for C# or .NET projects. It's my go-to editor. Although I sometimes also use VS Code, and yeah, basically that's it. But yeah, Godot. I need to essentially define here a variable that will say something about the tutorial. So in this case, okay, private, actually public bool.
If that donkey's
Yes,
Poco was a while loop, you'd need a clean exit condition. Otherwise, it's a runaway recursion and a
has
textbook memory leak
spawned
that could crash your entire stack.
response.
Pay attention, debuggers.
Why is... okay, never mind. Process, no physics process here. I'd say if not has spawned, return. And now I have to play an animation in order to basically spawn her in. So, this is gonna be complicated. Unless I also call another variable and say public bool is spawning equals false, and say in the process if is spawning. I'm gonna grab the material, var material equals sprite. Do I have that object? Player sprite, I do. Material.
Hey, tips and tricks. Check this out.
That's shader material. Progress, no. Where is it? Here. Need to go into the sprite and the player. Yeah, here it is. And in the shader parameters, set the dissolve. No, the dissolve value. Dissolve underscore value. Okay. Get shader parameter dissolve underscore value. Check expression for null. Okay, progress minus equal, assuming a 0.5 second dissolve time.
Here's
yeah.
the best approximation. Pretty close to a seahorse vibe,
God damn
right?
it.
If you want a more
My
aquatic
keyboard
feel,
shocked me.
throw in a
And yes,
or
that counts as
duh,
for...
and boom, instant oceanic
God.
swagger.
It keeps doing that. I don't know if it's something about me, like being energetic or something, but holy, that hurts. Kids never get a freaking metal keyboard. That thing can shock you. Like, for God's sake. I need to put some sort of cover on it, so it's not bare metal. God. Yikes. That really smarted. And it's always the right hand, because the right hand is on the arrow keys. So yeah. There goes another swear. Just because of the keyboard. Let me put on the like designer gloves. Not designer gloves, but the drawing tablet gloves, basically. Because those protect the fingers. Okay, that should be better. But seriously, I felt the shock like in my arm, actually. Oof. Yeah, moving on. This should be... Hey Christy, welcome in. Let me see. As double. Okay, this should work. And remove not access local variable, but it's here. Material dot set shader parameter. Dissolve value progress. Okay. Hypothetically, if I were to export this and say here, if progress 0, and yeah, this. Not gonna put an else here. Current state process, etc. What does process do? Just return next state. Okay, that doesn't matter at the moment. What song is this? Oh, Joji. Makes sense. I was listening to it the other day. Makes sense. Okay. Material, shader parameter, and everything seems fine. Hypothetically, this should be working. So, I'm gonna do a test drive in Godot. I'm gonna go here, play the scene. Oh, not play the scene, because this is a player. It's not gonna work. Should be this one. Okay, so it's not moving, and if I go into remote, where's player? Where's lab player? And I press spawning, it should render Tulip. There we go. Okay, we missed the rendering, but yeah. Hey Davies, welcome on in. I was just coding basically the starting animation. Okay. Let me see. I want to... Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. States. No. Where is the zero spawn? Here it is. Okay, to understand my own code. This is to play the start animation, and this is to initialize the story. Story that is defined somewhere in here. Here. Okay, actually in queue message 1. Right. Character name should be Professor. Thank you. Really means a lot to be called chill. I do my best. Let me see. So Professor Leo, and the variable is the chapter 1 message 1. Let me do something, because I didn't enable word wrap, so I kind of want to enable that just so it's easier. Hey Tommy, welcome on in. Where would that be? Code style, hard wrap, wrap on typing, no. I mean, shouldn't it be jump to the current word boundaries? Okay, I need to... Yeah, if you spam the chat, you get timed out. So yeah, see you in 30 minutes. Bye bye. But yeah. Where was I? Oh, yeah. Message 1. So chapter 1, message 1, that's gonna be, if I go in here, can I edit this? I should be able to, yeah. Okay, finally this editor works properly. Okay. And that should do the trick. Initializing. Ah! Not again! What's a start animation for? Yeah. Sorry, I kinda shocked myself again with the keyboard. Where was I? Yeah, the start animation basically defines that it needs to be at start in this specific sprite. I have basically these animations. This is the capsule opening, and when it's done, it stays on this frame. So yeah, for starters, it will begin like this, move on through these sprites here, and finish. Yeah. I'm trying to make all of it now combine into basically the first part of the story. And for that, I'm basically materializing Tulip first. Okay, and that should do the trick, initializing Tulip null. Okay. If I do it like this, it will now call that message. I'm gonna say that by default, it's gonna be hidden. Hide. Yeah. Apologies. I'm gonna define a key to continue. And now comes an issue. I mean, technically not an issue, because I can basically use these keys right here. X could be my accept, or the jump, basically. Because, yeah, whoops, didn't mean to close down that. Okay. I'm gonna say in here, input manager dot instance dot on jump, which is basically my action. If is visible, display next message. Exactly. So when I press the jump button, which is Z or space, it progresses to the next message. If there's none, it will do something else. In this case, just gonna say incomplete. New message incomplete. You then trigger the incomplete supposedly. Interesting. I didn't put the incomplete. Silly me. Okay. Our current message. No, current message incomplete. Invoke. Okay, this is gonna invoke when I press the basically the go next message button, and yeah, that should do the trick, supposedly. Okay, actions in queue message. I mean, off this, I can even declare like outside, just so I can only in queue here, because these are constants basically. Region messages or actions and region. There we go. Control K, Control F, and that's organized. Void initialize Tulip. Tulip instance initialize? No. What you're gonna do is player dot instance dot is spawning equals true. And what I'm gonna do is, in the code that does the handling of the has spawned, I'm gonna remove this line, and I'm gonna say, where is it? Actually, I can just create a method for it. Okay. Let's say public void player initialized. This basically just says has spawned equal true and allows me to progress. Okay. Continuing. So I have this here. I can just say to keep it like that. And basically I need to await something. Okay. Void message 2 is gonna be a bit different. Actually, like this I can't progress to the incomplete. That's the thing. How do I handle the actions? Actually. Oh, I know. This must wait for basically just a simple execution. And you be banned. Like, please, we are here to talk about game dev. We are not here to discuss politics, nor any other issues that really don't matter to the stream, so please do keep the topic in mind. Otherwise, you may risk a ban. Do we have that clear? Thank you. Okay, moving on. Okay, where was I? Oh. I should make a task.run async await task delay. Let me guess. That's not system.task. It is. Weird. Return? What are you missing? Okay, there's something that's erroring out. Oh, you don't have run? Then why? Why can't I even call it? System.task. Oh yeah. Threading dot tasks dot. Okay, something is screwy here, and I don't like it. Let me see, while player dot is spawning, player dot instance dot is spawning. Seriously, something is wrong there. Let me go check here. Where? I'm missing something, and I'm pretty sure of it. I just need to find out what. Localized? No. I'm pretty sure I've said something in here. Test.run. Yeah, in the player HUD manager I have one. Why is it not working? Doesn't it be declared somewhere else? Oh, I get it. Must be because of this. Okay. Like this. I'm dumb. Never mind me. Okay. So I can remove this. Give me a second. I need to take off my sweater because it's getting hot in here for some reason. So I'll be right back. Okay, that's better. I'm currently only in t-shirt because it's that hot. Actually, let me go check how's the temperature. It's 10 degrees and I'm feeling hot. That's weird. Usually it only happens at like 16. Must be because of the computer or the server. It must be running hot. Okay, while it's spawning, you delay this. And you basically then just go. Actually, if only I could put this instead of this void. Let me see how basically the main handles this. On complete invoke. This is weird. I can basically include this. Instead of being here, void message 2, take this out and say while this, you wait. After, you basically are going to add a new message. I'm going to do this. Message 2 is going to be Daisy. And the onComplete, oops, the onComplete is basically going to be player dot instance dot actually no, I can't access tutorial. I can't access the initial object unless I export it. I'm thinking I can't export because this is not a Godot object. So I kind of need to set, instead of this, I need to pass the tutorial spawn here. And I shocked myself again. This is getting fun. Okay. Spawn dot play, and you're gonna do what was it called? Open. This should be a single animation, so it plays once and then stops. But let's see, gonna need to basically find out how to do this. Give me a second, we're just checking something. Okay, let me see, spawn play open, and then there should be a way for me to track progress. But first, let me see if I can find where to define the looping state. Because there should be animation looping. There we go. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna say void finish. Okay, spawn. I'll spawn dot animation dot spawn dot is playing. Tutorial spawn. Okay. Gonna say not to add this message, but for now just to go here and say player.instance.has spawned equals true. So we finished spawning. Hypothetically, this should be working. Initialize message 2 and finish. Now, in here, when I say this is a new, I pass this. Okay. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna play. Wait. Oh. That's why I recognize the song. It's Bowls. Okay. Professor Wheel, and that should do the trick. Initializing Tulip now. We should now be able to see Tulip materializing. Why must you do this to me? Hey Splitty, welcome on in. I'm currently facing some bugs in my game. Remote. Where's player? Let me see if is spawning is on. No, it isn't. If I... Why can't... Okay, something is screwing up. Let me go debug this code from here. Is it because of the test delay? Is this triggering? Huh. What is your game about? It's gonna be a 2D Metroidvania, where these two are gonna save me from an evil enemy that is going to be revealed at the end of the first chapter. And is basically going to kidnap me at the end of said chapter. So yeah. For now, it's basically still very in early development. I only have like a bit of the map and some of the mechanics done. I still need to work on everything. And right now, I'm trying to see why this is not working. Because as soon as this is done, it should pass on to this one. I'm gonna put this here, debug, and see what happens. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. This one I had no doubts it would work. Execute next action. Okay, this is basically going to say, yeah, add message, message queue, yeah. Okay. Right. Now, display next message. You use Visual Studio Code for the script? No, I use Writer. I prefer using JetBrains' own tools. I've been using them for years and kinda got used to them. Let me see. Oh, it's not calling the on-fin. It crashed. Huh? The code crashed? How? Okay. This is weird. Should I basically say, when you finish invoking, you basically invoke next section? Because I'm having a feeling that's gonna be the thing I have to do. Execute next section. Okay. Give me a second. Execute next section. Okay, now it works. Hey Hanabi, welcome on in. Gonna send it. That milkshake that you've been basically teasing me with. Yeah. Can't wait to see. How was dinner? Was it good? I saw this the burger. It looked really good. Hey Mr. Kitty, welcome on in on the YouTube side. Don't hate me because you can't be me. Fair enough. Let me see. It looks so good. Holy. Dinner was pretty good. Nice. Well, welcome on in. As I said, these are Tulip and Daisy. My twins. And they're a bit silent now because no one is interacting with them. You are sick today. Oh boy. Mr. Kitty, what's wrong? They're so cute, yeah. Look at this. If I press this button on my stream deck, they should now say something. Give it a second.
Dear Leo, subscribing removes the intrusive ads, keeping
there
your
we go.
mental clarity intact, and rewards you with a collection of adorable emotes that even your most
Pet on
elegant
them.
code wouldn't produce.
I need to program a head patting thing. And you found the head pat button. Thank you for the head pats. I need to. Oh, I hope you get better, Mr. K. A cold really sounds awful. Last time I had one, I basically almost had to be hospitalized because it developed into an infection. It was not fun. Imagine having to wait 8 hours in the hospital. I swore to never again. There's a good thing too, is I don't need to go to school. That's fair. Yeah, that's a mood. But yeah. Why do you have a swear counter? That's crazy. I would go broke if I had to put money every time I would swear. It's more because I want to keep it kid-friendly on my end. So, I'm trying not to swear. Sometimes it escapes, that's why it has already €6. Because I've swore 12 times on stream so far, since I implemented it. And essentially, at the end of the month, whatever amount I've accumulated goes into gift subs. Yeah, I agree, like, kids don't swear. I would swear as a kid a lot, no. So would I. Oh, you know, Puppy Playtime Chapter 5 came out. Yeah, I saw Hanabi play and it wasn't that fun. For her, at least. She can say it better than me. I was just watching. It's a Portuguese blood in our veins. Yeah. But yeah. Essentially that. Especially since I have northern genes as well, so I swear double the amount of the usual. Because I'm half northern Portuguese. So yeah. Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 was so... But, guys, like, holy... Yeah. You know, okay. Yeah. But, yeah. S technically counts as a swear, but don't... I can check. Hey, Tulip, is ass a swear? If it gets redacted, we now know. That pursuit, man, thank you. I drew it myself. Because this model had a hoodie, and only a hoodie. So I went, why don't I do a suit, since I usually do a suit for my models? And I drew this. It's basically just this layer. Like,
Oh dear,
it's basically
the
attached to me.
mythical SSSS wear. No wonder your ad-free experience didn't improve. Perhaps you mean something like spring?
Bruh.
She used the bruh. Oh, why did I give them free will for the soundboard? But yeah, ass might not be a swear word. I don't know. Sometimes I try to avoid it, just in case. But yeah, where was I? I was trying to basically do a way for my code to continue executing. Because right now it's not doing that. And that kind of sucks. Yeah, gonna need to basically do this. No, let me distract you more. Wait. Oh boy. What are you gonna do now? And ads are starting. Why Tulip don't talk and Daisy only? It's random sometimes. And sometimes they don't understand me correctly. So when I say Tulip, sometimes it doesn't properly catch Tulip. It catches other words. And so Daisy sometimes is the one that answers. Example. Hey Tulip, tell a joke. Okay, but sure, Hanabi. Let me do something. Let me see. Can I gift? Yeah, I can, but it doesn't work. Check Discord.
Great to hear everything's up and running.
Your
Just
cat
keep
is
your
so
mental
cute.
clarity in check, and those
Yeah,
streams will stay
as
smooth
I,
as
as
a
I expected,
well-refactored
Tulip
loop.
didn't get it. Can I gift something? I might need to go to my own channel because I need to do something. I was watching Apoc, so yeah, I didn't have my channel open. Okay, there we go. Let me see if now the option is visible, because Twitch doesn't put gifts in my dashboard. I've unlocked a icon badge. What? Huh, interesting. Specifically this. Apply this. Why can't... Wait. Something in Twitch is bugged. Kitty Power, are you a cat or dog person? Quickly. I'm both, but mostly a dog person because I have a dog. But I accept cats as well. I mean, I have cat ears. Maybe make 2 buttons. Yeah. We ain't pookies in it. I'm sorry. Give the specific viewer. There we go. Found it. Let me see. I need to do something. And holy. Okay, there we go. Wait for it. Okay. That should work. No, I'm sad. Thought you were more of a cat person, not gonna lie. Sorry, I've only had dogs all my life. Let me see. Ah, there we go.
A subscription.
You're a
You're
cat.
officially part of the dev team now. Grab a keyboard.
I had to do it.
Yo, shout out to you for dropping a golden subscription. This seed of brilliance just sprouted a whole new orchard of loyalty.
Technically am a
Let's keep
cat.
slicing through
When you
those
have cats,
bugs
it's a
while you
life-changing
savor the
experience.
sweet
I know.
taste of
My
code
best friend
victory.
has cats. Oh my god, the sub. Yeah. I had to basically do it. Especially since I had the swear jar going, so... let me see, where is the swear jar located? Okay, it's on port 3000. I should have an admin dashboard for it, so I can reset. Wasn't it admin? Oh, it's .html. Lemao. Reset jar. Okay. Okay, it got reset, and I'm gonna add 2 swears because I had still €1 left in the amount. So let's count the overflow into this. No cat love today. The bed has been peed on and it went through 2 layers of blankets. Now it's a plank to clean. Ass ain't a swear, I swear. Yeah. No, I didn't count ass as a swear. I'm basically just handling the overflow from basically my swear jar. Thank you, Pookie, no Pookie. But yeah, now no one suffers from ads on Twitch. And Hanabi doesn't need to face the ads, because there was going to be an ad break really starting soon. So yeah, no more ads for you. And you have the cute emotes from my channel. No ads, my dream come true. But yeah, enjoy the gift. You now have access to my, basically my emotes, so do with them as you wish. Oh, and my stream decided to drop. Give me a sec. OBS acting up. Okay, I think OBS stopped. S is a swear, everyone knows. Some say it's a swear, some say it isn't. Where are we at? Let me ask the expert directly. Is ass a swear? If it is, I've basically spammed it enough times for another gift sub. But yeah, If it gets redacted, we
Leo,
know.
redacted is more like a
Crap.
mild playground word than a full swear. Still, let's keep it PG so the stream stays sweet. It's all about context. On the lab
Yeah.
floor, we can sprinkle it, but on Twitch, a quick,
Also,
no swearing
why
nod
did-
is a good idea.
Hanabi, question: why is spooky considered a sex-based term? Because Twitch flagged it as a sex-based term. I swear to God, it isn't. Yes, Hanabi? Hi. Wait, what? Yeah. I'm not joking. It's basically saying that. I'll even screenshot it. I had to allow it. Like, give me a second. Look. I wanted to send a message and Twitch was like, you sure wanna send this? Yeah. Like, bruh. Yeah. Why is it a sex-based term? I swear to God, Pookie isn't a sex-based term. Now it won't get flagged because I have permitted it. I'll spam that word now. It must be something in auto moderator. It's basically a little bit too sensitive. Yay. Yeah, but you basically can spam it now in this chat because I've permitted it. So yeah, have fun. Let me see. Execute next action. It's gonna be in every one of these. Yay! Okay, execute next action. And execute next action. This should now do something. I said slap and bro was like, you wanna say that? Like, yeah. I mean, that's a bit kinky, but we might judge. Let me see. Initializing Tulip now. Why you little... Why is this not working? I swear to God, this should be working. Let me put this here. Debug. And another notification from Twitter. Nothing important. Okay. Add message as... What song is this? Oh. It's from this anime, okay. I was basically wondering what song was this. Yes, I listen to anime songs while I code. It's my thing. But yeah. Okay, display next message. This is fine. Let's go. Chotomate. Display next message. Message count. Why is the unfinished not getting triggered? Okay, gonna put here, restart, and see if it hits that thing again. Ad break is finishing now. I don't care now. But yeah. Okay. Is the incomplete with something? It isn't. That explains it. But why? Supposedly when I... Oh, I'm a dumbass. Actually, no. I'm a dumbass for other reasons, but not this one. Let me see. Is it removing? It is. That explains it. Only remove it here, please. Before it basically bugs out again. Now it makes sense why I couldn't access the next event. It was already removing it. Okay. Incomplete, now it has an... Okay, now it has the exact code for it. Since I send you a song for you to listen to. It's from the new Joji album. Sure! Go ahead. I'll listen to it on stream. The dead emote, yeah. Okay, let me just progress with this, because I'm pretty sure it's working. Okay, there we go. Pixelated kisses, but the intro will change your life. Nani? Let me see. Brave. Okay. It had to be the pink guy. Ooh. I like it. Pixelated Kisses is the most gifted song of the album. He has another version with another dude singing it too. Pink Eye Supremacy, yeah! Oh, Mordecai. Oh, Finn. So basically all characters in a depressed state. Let me do something. Do I have... I don't, actually. The sworn I had a sad expression. Welcome to Joji songs, yeah. I'm just liking like the whole animation thing. This is well made, not gonna lie. Enjoy peak, yeah. Ooh. Warning, flashing images on screen. Why don't you give attention to YouTube? I do give attention to YouTube. Did I miss something? I'm really sorry if I did. Like, I normally try to pay attention to everything. This was the song I listened to the most last year. Have in mind the song came out in November. Holy! I listened to it like 481 times. Do you sleep? Actually, I know the answer to that. You don't. It's a tism, I swear. Yeah. Do you know TuneTurf? No. What is TuneTurf? It's a tism, I swear. And the ADHD as well. But yeah, we both know you don't sleep, so there's your reason. Tell me. Yes, sir. Gosh, there's so many songs I want to show you. Go ahead. Yeah, I don't sleep, but that way we can talk. Fair enough. I'm not gonna stop you. You have a point there. You're like, good morning, and I'm like, good night. Yeah. Even though we are on the same time zone. Funny how that works, huh? It's like, I go to bed at 2 a.m. She continues awake. I wake up at 7:30. She's still awake. And she's going to sleep at like 11. It's a cool show. I saw it. It's only on YouTube by Riggy. TuneTurf. Who needs sleep, bro? Good point. But you should value your sleep. Otherwise, you basically get a lot of negative side effects. Why am I seeing Corpse Husband as a recommendation? Fair enough. Let me just check whatever you said. Tune. Oh, it's called Necrophilia Pride or something. Necrophilia also got caught by the sex-based terms. Because necrophilia is a sex-based thing. You can do away with 4 to 6 hours for TuneTurf. Okay. Rig is a rabbit monkey. Where do I know that name from? I swear to God, that name is familiar. It's based on a real case, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, few vocaloid songs. There we go. I didn't see that message.
Thank you, dear debuggers
I've
and
already searched
refactorers,
it.
for watching so far. Your viewership keeps our
Let
loop
me...
running smoothly.
Oops, wrong
What modules or
screen.
mechanics would you like us to dive into next?
Yay! Hey, what up, Sonic? Welcome in. I'm basically doing just watching YouTube videos at the moment because chat keeps recommending me videos, but I was working on the game. I'll be back to the game very soon. Shall we speak? I'll watch it in my off time. I'll have to distract my Pookie. Fair enough. And yes, she's like that offline as well. Yeah, someone basically, like, a friend of mine recommended me to watch a Vocaloid song. So yeah, I'm basically doing that by exposing me like that. You're the one that started it. I'm just helping. I throw more fuel to the fire. A friend, bro. Just say Pookie. Fine, my Pookie. Better? Things you make me do. Good job. Hi, Ohime-sama. Wait, if I put the link here, can you click it and watch? If it's short, I might watch it. Are you enjoying Peak or what? Yeah. Like, it's so well animated. Holy. Not the Ohime-sama. Hey, you pushed me into the corner, so. Hey, not literally. So yeah. Honestly, this is really well done. Holy. I wish I could animate like this. Yeah, it's a short wait. Okay, sure. If it passes my, like, checks, sure. Me for real. Hi, Ohime-sama. I'll stop. Yeah, this is what basically learning Japanese is doing to me. I sometimes sneak in some Japanese words, especially to play with people. Gosh, I love this song so much. Actually, you can say for this. No one knows that swear. But yeah, this is really well done. For the CA. Only us Portuguese know that one. My favorite swear for real. That's not caralho. Kids, don't learn with me how to swear. I'll only swear in Portuguese. God. Hey Seth, welcome on in. But yeah. Gosh, our servers are the most goated. I said what I said. Yeah, fair enough. Foda-se. Caralho. Nobody clipped that. Let's do this. I like this. You have good taste. Wait, Jake, did you try to say Kona? Oh, caralho. I don't know. Like, with it basically censored like that, I can't see what is the word. You're not saying with enough strength to get caralho. I did. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that word is very specific. I did censor it. Yeah. I kind of know what the word is, but yeah. But yeah, this has been Portuguese Swears with Professor Leo. Crazy shit. Oop. You made me swear in English. crap. God. Yep. I now did swear. By mistake. Huh. It appears our swears are a bit similar. But yeah. Moving on. I can go back to what I was doing. What's my favorite tank? An awfully weird question to ask. I honestly don't know. And yeah, basically someone is asking me to ban them permanently from the YouTube channel. Yay! There we go. Going back to my songs. Unless... Okay, no more recommendations. Let's go. I'm gonna go back to my songs and maybe work. Unless Hanabi has something else in mind. A crazy bet. Oh boy. What did I say? Don't say it twice. There we go. Let me see. That should do the trick. Okay, it's too fast at animating. But now... Okay, it's not unloading. And I think I know why. No, it should be. Execute next section. While player instance is spawning, is the is spawning not being reset? Oh, hey Marmalade, welcome on in. It missed me swearing in Portuguese. Because Miss Hanabi over there made me basically go on a swear rampage. Welcome on in. Hey Zobir, welcome on in on the YouTube side. How is everyone's day going? We are basically just being goblins here. Let me see. Where is this being reset? Is spawning. If is spawning, you do this. If progress lesser than or equal to 0. Okay. Here, let's make 125. That should work. Because that's basically every frame or something. Progress. If progress equals 0. If progress lesser than or equal to 0. Why is this not being hit? Let me reset. But yeah, I'm currently trying to fix bugs with the way I handle the story of the game. Okay, this is working. Progress 0.86666 and so far. So, okay. Let me see if, yeah, this triggers. So why the heck did it not work? Where is the other message? Am I not displaying it? Let me see. If I go back to chapter 1 part 1, let me see. Like and sub, yeah. There we go. Yeah, do as Bente said and like and subscribe. I'm joking, only do it if you want. No one is forcing you. Let me see. I was going here. This should be called. I was so bored that I decided to revive my old project where I was making my own version of Neurosoma, and for some very smart reason, I remade the entire thing in Rust. Well, why do you don't give attention to white YouTube chat? I am giving attention. Like, I'm not joking around when I say I'm giving attention because I'm seeing the messages from YouTube chat basically pop up on my window. Unless they get flagged by something, I'm seeing them. But yeah, Marmalade, why did you basically do that? Okay, Sensei, check Discord, you're welcome. What are you going to provide me with now? Oh,
Hey debuggers!
Do you want
What
me
games
to
have you been
react to
smashing
all of
lately?
this?
Drop your favorites in the chat and let's swap some war stories.
Tetris. I don't believe it. Also, Marmalade, I've included a new functionality in Tulip and Daisy. They can now use a soundboard. At any time. No, I want you to have it in the background and enjoy it at least. Okay, fair enough. I did say bad, yeah. Are there tensor math tools in Rust? Who knows? There might. Honestly, trying to make AI VTubers in Rust is quite a challenge, I guess. Because most people either go for Python or go for C#. But yeah, let me do something then. Hanabi wants to basically recommend a lot of things. Let me see if I can just add them via this. I can. Is it the same one? It would be better if you sent me as a list, playlist, because otherwise I have some difficulty basically loading in here. Oh, but here it is. Let me basically load up a queue. Oh, that's why. Yeah, Kitty, basically I didn't see because most likely it got flagged as a link. Yeah, I don't see the link, actually. I don't know, did you send on Discord or something and I didn't see it? Because I don't see anything. That's weird. Yeah, I don't see anything on my YouTube. I am so lazy. This is all from my face playlist. Yeah, fair enough. I'm gonna load them up. Give me a second. Did you send another one? Let me see. Maboroshi. Link. I need to fix the song request redeem. Okay, it should be this one. Add to queue. Yeonju Nana. So 47. Okay. Yeonju Nana. Okay, I'm gonna guess it's this one. Title matches. Not go to album. Keep clicking the wrong button for some reason. Oh, here it is. At Q. Next one, Sugar Sweet by Teto. Sugar Sweet. Kasane Teto. Here it is. At Q. Jitter Doll. The things you make me do. Okay, Jitter Doll. It's this one. At Q. Pixelated Kisses, the one we heard. Pixelated Kisses. Kaivan Remix. Okay. Kaivan Remix. Like you minded. Yeah, fair enough. I'm not saying anything. Let me see. Scattered Glass. Scattered Glass. This one, yeah. At Q. And I had to give one that's all in Japanese. Give me a second. I need to copy this. This one I can't actually write it myself. Okay. I think I found it. Yeah, it's this one here. At Q. Dongdan cover. Yeah, I'm gonna copy the full name. Here we go. Add to queue. The immoral memory. I almost wrote memory. Okay, here it is. Add to queue. Kagemini, the Ren. Question, Hanabi, why is the thumbnail of this one basically him in a wedding dress or something? No, I feel bad giving work. It's fine. Eventually I need to put a song request thing. I'm working here. Because I don't judge. Ranking of Kings, OP2. Hadaka. Give me a second. Hadaka no Yusha. By Vondi. Drum cover. Drum cover. It is this one. By Drumstick, yeah. There we go. Okay. Now I can continue. I don't know, but the song is peak. Fair enough. It can be the original. No. I'm following your requests. Tetores. Yes. Teto supremacy. Yes. Okay. What was I doing? Oh, checking this. I need to make an jam animation for my avatar. Because I just can only do this. I can't even do like going up front and back. Because of how my avatar works. Okay. Oh. Add message. Okay, it added the message. Teto. Okay, why is it not? Did I do something wrong? I can see your chat, Kitty, but if you're sending links, it's not appearing for me. Okay, this one worked. Okay. Message queue count equals 1. Why are you not displaying the message? Oh, I am dumb. I think I know why. Translation not found. Yeah. Honestly, but it should show. Why is it not showing? I will convert you to the Vocaloid world. Joke's on you. I kinda already have been converted. Kinda. You know Neurosama, the one I've mentioned a lot of times, she technically counts as a Vocaloid. By who? That's the thing. By Neurosama, technically. Because I think Neurosama counts as a Vocaloid. Hey Marius, welcome on in on the YouTube chat. Just being a goblin? No. You sure about that? But still, I think I have some Vocaloid songs in my playlist. Girl could never be a queen Vocaloid. Fair enough. There isn't Vocaloid, as far as I know. Vocaloids aren't AI. Okay, fair enough. Utawaloid. Sure. Do send it. And before I have like 40 songs in the queue. And I have to manually introduce all of them. Fun times. Teto is an Utawaloid. Huh. Oh, actually, I've heard a song by Teto, so technically I already knew some things. Also, Vocaloids aimed to AI, but some have synth voice banks, which is kinda-ish AI. Kinda-ish, it's complicated. But yeah, I kinda heard Teto's Bird Brain. And yeah, I do like that one. Hehe. Sakuya Narumi, I wonder if you'll say sorry. Okay. Didn't mean this window. This window. Sakuya Narumi.
Hey lurkers, welcome to the stream.
I
Your quiet
wonder
presence keeps our thought loops running.
if you'll
Feel free to join the
say
chat whenever you're
sorry.
ready.
Did you ban some words or like that? No, I might have banned the links, but I'm not sure. Here's my Utaloid. It's like Vocaloid, but with my voice. Ah, fair. Gotcha. A self-plugin, technically. And this is the other type of song. You're welcome. I like the "you're welcome" at the end of the message. It's like, here is my voice. Hear it, and you're welcome for it. It's Yandere. But yeah, it's now in the queue, so let's basically wait for it to get there. I need to check something. Why is this not loading correctly? Let me load from here. Give it a second. Okay. Okay, it's showing. What's the debugger calling? Call deferred. That's why. Where do you want me to do the call deferred? That's the thing. Probably the best cover I have with, besides Raspberry Monster as well. You'll love it, trust. I know. You do have a nice voice for singing, so yeah. That's pretty much guaranteed. Also, I didn't do this, but I might as well do it. Give me a second. Where is my Twitch? Here it is. Liar. The fuck, don't be a lulu. I'm not. Let me see. I think I have this configured. Let me see if I can. I can! It did the shout out. Let me see. Normally I also do this. Okay. I still need to figure out the commands a bit, but it's working. That's crazy. Consider my gift to you. But yeah. Follow Hanabi, she is really amazing, and she basically debuted yesterday on Twitch, so yeah, go give her a follow and watch her content. She sings as well. No, you. Oh, now I've basically noticed that the bot on the YouTube side is spamming. I didn't even remember I had that on the timer. No, you. No, you. Don't make me go grab the Unicard. But yeah. Where was I? Oh. That's right, I was debugging this. Let's see. Where the heck is... Where the heck is the message? Player HUD, message box. Where be thou? It's hidden. But why? Yeah, translation not found. That makes sense. Wait, did it always have that border? Or is it because I'm selecting it in the inspector? Yeah, it's because I was selecting. Okay. But yeah, I need to basically make a UI for this eventually. When I have some time. Automatic kudasai. Where is the freaking thing? Player HUD. Here it is. Yonjunana is so good. Gosh. Ask me anything. Have you tried F sharp? No. I only do C sharp. I never got the interest in going for F sharp, and for some reason I'm currently having a nosebleed. So give me a second while I fix this. I'll be right back. good thing I have cotton right here in a box, because I get frequent nosebleeds, so I basically have a first aid kit always at the ready. It's because I'm here, trust. Yeah, you're the one that gave me a nosebleed. It's like you punched me through the screen. Do wish C# had auto, so one could do public static constant auto thing here, value here. And not type out the whole verbose type name like before identifier. Damn. Yeah. Where what do I find you when I'm about to leave? I'm just that good, Luxio. Wait, Purple Godot? Yeah. Hey, Purple! Welcome on in, a fellow VTuber. Welcome on in. Godot, yeah. I basically love the color purple, as you can see by my avatar. So yeah. Pastel nata, yes. Portugal, caralho. I need that team. Basically, I can send the colors I did. Give me a second. I'm basically dealing with a debuff called a nosebleed, so I'm not the best at the moment. Okay, so this is the base color, and Twitch is purple. Wait, it's all purple? Always has been. Yeah. So base color is this one, and the accent color is this one. There you go, purple. Enjoy. You can set it in the editor settings. Seam. Yoinks. Yeah. Basically, the other day while I was upgrading Godot to 4.6, I set the seam to this one. So yeah, because I love the color purple. So yeah. But yeah, welcome on in, a fellow VTuber. We basically all gathered very recently, so yeah. Hello, how is your game going? It's going well. It nosebleed debuff. I got the hungry debuff. Decreases stamina faster. Yeah, in my case, it basically makes my voice sound a bit more, how should I say it, deeper. Because I have a nose clogged with cotton, so it basically doesn't like bleed out onto my clothes. So yeah. But yeah, my game is going well. I'm currently basically doing the story event system. It's basically taking a bit because at the moment, for some reason, the message box doesn't re-pop up. What's your game about? It's going to be a 2D Metroidvania inspired by Code Lyoko's plot, where these two, Daisy and Tulip, will basically save me from the evil clutches of Null Pointer's Maximus, which is the enemy type like Xena. Oh my god, Code Lyoko, ain't no way, yeah! I swear that series basically inspired the generation. Code Lyoko was so good, indeed it was. And essentially my inspiration for Code Tulip. You don't write Code Lyoko, you write Code Tulip into the terminal. I'm joking, but yeah, she'll basically be the Iolita of this game. Tulip is the purple one, by the way. And you guys can interact with them. Yeah, I'm seeing some common likes between us, yeah. I think it's common in the VTuber community, from what I've been seeing. Like, at least most of the creators I've met like Code Lyoko. I swear. Maybe because it was like a pretty common cartoon back when we were kids, so yeah, it kinda inspired all of us. My first ever OC was inspired by Odd Della Robbia, so there you have it. I've been carrying this motivation since then. And this was like, let me see, I should have been 13 at the time, so almost 17 years ago. Boy, That does deal emotional damage. Odd has an odd name if you think about it. Yeah. Isn't it odd? Odd was my boy. Yeah, so was mine. He was the
Hey,
best.
silent ninjas of the stream. Even your hush-ups keep the server humming. Drop
What's our
by,
gun
grab a
boy?
strawberry,
Oh,
and
the
let's
yay.
keep the code alive.
To clarify, these are my AI VTuber slash daughters. And basically you can interact with them by choosing the redeem specific to the twin you want to talk with. There's one for Tulip and one for Daisy. Daisy is calm and quiet, Tulip is basically a chaotic gremlin. So yeah, do with that as you will. Redeems are basically 25 channel points, and they will reply to you eventually. They have a small delay, but yeah, when your prompt comes up, it will show up on the screen. Oh, let me switch the cotton. Huh. Wasn't that much blood. Was just a scare. Yeah, it's allergy season, so my nose is basically on the fritz. But yeah, it's better now. Let me continue. So, you're complaining that something isn't correct. The color thread can't call the function key redraw. On this node, chaos called deferred. None the heck. The function show on this node can only be accessed from the main thread. Is called deferred. Gotcha. Okay. So this one called deferred hide. Name of hide. Okay. Right now worked a bit on covering a software sent from Scaleless 3 to C#14. It was a little painful on the engine side, but the GUI, that will be notorious or easy. At least that, but actually I don't have much experience with that. JavaFX with SCSS to Avalonia. I've never used Avalonia, actually. I need to do more research into what else C# has to offer, actually. Because I'm very limited into only knowing ASP.NET and the base C#. I haven't explored like the multi-platform solutions. I need to do some research eventually. But yeah. Also, let me drink something because I'm running out of speech, per se. Ah, that's better. Well, one thing for certain, interrupt with C is much easier. Don't you speak of C here. That thing is my nightmare. Wrong cover, by the way, but I forgive you, Pookie. Seriously, is it the wrong one? I swear I basically went for what you wrote and what was written. Okay, so if we bench our engine synthesis and find what that C# is slow, we do some interrupt and vroom vroom. Fair enough. Oh, Mr. Kitty from YouTube followed. Welcome on in. The one I sent is sung by Utaloid. Oh, my bad. I basically just copied the title and forgot the rest. I didn't check the channel. My bad. And this is why I need to make a song request system to prevent this kind of issue. Let me see. Message queue. Okay, and this one also needs to be name of show. If I do this, it should now do it without any issues. Okay. Play. Do your magic, Godot. Do your magic. Why is it now? Method not found. Why you little? This is basically Okay, since you can't find show, I'm gonna say, this is quite interesting. This dot visible equals true. Let me see if doing it like this makes it work. Because it is quite a conundrum here. Apologies. Visible equals false. Oh, no, it's Joji. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, it worked. Ah, son of a... The keyboard keeps basically giving me a shock. Yikes. Seriously, I need to put some plastic on top of the freaking keyboard. Because the metal plate keeps giving me static. Ouch. How much would it cost to get a fair and maybe biased judgment on a single CS file? I have not enough experience on C# apart from Vegas Pro and .NET 3.5 scripting. Honestly, it wouldn't basically cost anything. I can do a quick analysis. Like, if you put it on the Discord server, I mean, I'm not the only one that's experienced in there, so we can all take a look at it. Maybe an experienced C# dev could give analysis, yeah. Oh, you can just moisturize your hand with body lotion. It avoids the static shocks. Really? I never knew about that. Actually, I do have... Does this count? Let me see. Doesn't say, but this is supposedly moisturizer. Yeah. I'm gonna guess Nivea also counts for moisturizing. Yeah, moisturizing helps. Doesn't prevent it, but helps. Fair enough. I never checked about that. No code that paste bin on websites allowed? It might be allowed. I'm not sure. Let me just, like, rub my hands with the moisturizer and see how it goes. But yeah, by normal, I have a lot of static electricity. It's weird, but yeah, I know you, Mr. Kitty. I know you. You're from YouTube. I know. Take your preferred site for code paste and the code go there. You can also use GitHub for the code, but whatever you prefer. Like, some don't trust paste bin, some don't trust paste of code. Honestly, with me, anyone is fine. But yeah, I prefer if you put the code in Discord, because right now I'm kind of basically focused on this. GitHub would be self-promote though. Kinda-ish. Though you do have my permission. That would not be kind. Okay. Basically sent a short. Let me check. A Roblox thing. Like, I'm not really interested in, like, Roblox shorts. Not gonna lie. Like, yeah. So it's Discord then. Oh, yeah, let me... Yeah, the Twitch profile one, yeah. Sorry about that. It's basically something I need to fix. For some reason, I could have sworn I already fixed it. And there go typos. Fair enough. Twitch Professor Leo. Let me go check. Because I can edit it from here. Okay. There should be an edit button somewhere in here. I don't think it's this one. Edit panels. No. I need to edit this from my settings. Okay, I'll remember it eventually. Sorry, still getting used to MBP keyboards, no worries. I'm getting used to a metal keyboard. That shocks me. So yeah, basically that. Let me check. Lego Yu-Gi-Oh! Coming soon. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Let me see if this works. Son of a...
Sure thing, Leo. If you hit the subscribe button on Twitch, you get
We got the
ad-free
Hall
grooving
effect,
plus a stack of
60%,
sweet
but
emotes.
since moved to
Just
laptop,
press
no
that
more
big
needed.
red button and
Huh.
boom! The stream becomes pure
It was
fireworks
low
for our
profile
fans.
and comfy. Fair enough. Well, Twitch is better than YouTube, yeah! I normally use YouTube just for discoverability. FEN on right side is picking comfort, and then MacBook decided, sorry, FEN far left. Huh, actually, yeah, most keyboards have the FN on the left, on the right. That's weird. Let me see. Yeah, that's the same one. It's the one I said it's Roblox. I'm kind of not interested in Roblox content because it's very controversial. Like, holy. I prefer to keep away from Roblox. So yeah. But yeah, where was I? Oh, yeah, this freaking thing keeps giving errors. Use import to open the scene, then save it inside the project path. Label function. Why is it giving so many errors? And specifically saying to call deferred. What do I need to call deferred? Do tell, Godot, do tell. Because giving me just an exception saying use call deferred doesn't help. Come on, I already said I'm not going to check it. It's from Roblox. Okay, let me see. What could be causing this? Is it this? Is it's just like messing up? It's an animation, but the first frame I saw was immediately Roblox. You can't tell me it wasn't. That's the thing. Like, I immediately open it and I see Roblox. Yeah. Let me see. What could be causing this problem? Because, like, this doesn't make any sense. Besides me having a spaghetti of a code here, but because of all the controversy regarding Roblox. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that platform is basically crawling with freaking child, you know. Spaghetti code is the best code, yeah. So yeah. Basically, I want to even avoid mentioning the freaking game's name.
Hey, teacher!
Hey, teacher, yeah. Yes, Anabi? What is it? But yeah. Essentially, I want to avoid because the freaking game you stink. Purple VT, yeah. About dehydrate. I have an empty bottle. So, well, since an ad break is coming soon, I might just go downstairs and get the bottle. So yeah. Do you guys prefer if I do that? Just go hydrate downstairs by grabbing a water bottle. Then wait, let me combo this. Oh boy. Combo. I only drank 5 cups for today. You need to drink more water. At least 1.5 liters of water is recommended. Stretch. Yeah, stretch. I've already stretched. But yeah, let me go grab some water. I'll be right back. Keep distracted with Daisy and Tulip. Hey Daisy, distract the chat for me while I grab some water. Nah, I love begging dehydrated on Discord. Fair enough. Sensei, check Discord. Yes, Anabi. I see.
Good, Leo. I'll keep a fresh watch on the class,
Princess
ensuring
Artsy
smooth
Cat
gapes while you
person.
hydrate.
And then there's an eye on the right side. Yes, Anabi. Do you want me to call you
Any
Princess
changes,
Artsy
just
Cat
ping me.
person? Ohime-sama. I'll be right back. Let me just grab the water. Do you like the wallpaper? I do. That was the point. Ah, fair enough. I have this one. You can see well, but... yeah. It's Memcho from the ending. Sent on Discord. Okay. I'll basically take a walk soon. Let me just go grab some water. But yeah. Wait, are we brothers because we most cats and we love scripting? I don't know. But yeah, I'll be right back. Tulip and Daisy will keep watch of chat, so don't misbehave. But yeah, feel free to use the redeems regarding the two of them. They are 25 points each, so they're cheap. Use them as you wish. I am back. Give me a second. I think chat is waiting for me. Yeah, I'm back. I already have some water. Hi, back. Hey, Apoc. Welcome on in. How are you? Okay, let me drink water first. Because I haven't. Okay. That's better. Okay, time to get the blood flowing again. Stretch a bit, and we're back. Okay, to check the code that was sent on the Discord. It's in programming and on a paste bin. Okay, let me check. From what I'm seeing already, it's pretty organized. That's good. That makes it more readable. Edge break is starting soon. Yeah. Okay, dismiss that. Let me see. Filter processor. Max coefs 8. Chunk size 128. We have a filter. Okay, you drank water wrong because it didn't sound like go 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 go. Just because I didn't glug the water doesn't mean I didn't drink it. But yeah. Let me see. I think chat went to sleep. But let me see. Starting off. Okay, the code is very organized. Time to nitpick a 5-line PR with an essay. Also, Apoc, you can check this code as well. That what was it? His name? That Iboro posted on the Discord because they want reviews to their code, see how it is. From what I'm seeing, it's pretty clean. I like it. Like, seems a lot of logic as well. This code is held by duct tape. If you feed this to AI, it will break it. Don't touch. What is Gorilla Tape? Yeah. If it works, don't touch it.
Hey,
That's
Leo.
usually the logic.
If viewers hit their Prime sub button on Twitch,
Wait,
they'll
are you...
unlock an
I already
ad-free
said
experience
maybe,
and a
don't
set of
know.
exclusive
We are all
emotes.
cats.
Just click the green check mark in their toolbar and voila! The stream runs smooth, like a well-refactored loop.
Yeah. Thank you, Daisy. Now, moving on with the schedule. But yeah. Let me see. Factor. Only thing I'd say is put some comments somewhere, because normally it helps others read your code. Says that. Yeah, it seems pretty well structured. You don't have all the logic like accumulated in a single method, which is good. Comments are necessary for 99% of the cases. The code should be self-documenting. Still, I normally comment my own code because sometimes I look at my own code and I'm like, the heck am I reading? It's happened so many times while I was doing game dev because I was like, past me was a dum-dum. Why? I'll check it tomorrow if I remember to. My brain is dead from coding. Don't worry, mine is basically hanging on by a thread. Work was a pain in the butt, basically. So yeah. For those wondering, do not go into backend development at the given...
First things first, I'ma say.
Fair enough. But yeah, backend development kinda fries my brain most of the times, especially when I'm on tight schedules. Easy. Game dev is harder than this, in my opinion, yeah. Fair enough. Honestly, game dev basically is also putting code with duct tape and hoping it sticks. Imagine doing game dev. Right, APOC? Imagine the two of us doing game dev. All this does is basically some IIR filter. Okay. Apply filter to sample. Apply filter to final sample. Interesting. Imagine writing a game engine. Only an insane person would think of that. Add feed forward terms. Okay. Let's say for me, I don't think I can. I'm suffering 10 streams in a row on the asset system. You suffered for that long? And people ask me why I use Godot and not code my own. There's your answer. I mostly take like triple that time. And I only stream like 2 hours or 3 a day. Hey Crystalline. Did I say it correctly? Sorry about that. There are so many edge cases. Fair enough. Like, I honestly don't think I am the best to judge this code. Because even I have difficulty with this kind of thing. Okay, ad break is finishing now. Fair enough. Yeah. I'll try to see with a bit more patience off stream, see if I can... Bro, making a game in Godot is so peaceful. Is it at least clean? Yeah, clean it is. Like, one of the things I normally nitpick if I see it is if you put like a ton of logic in the same method. In your case, you've cleanly separated the logic into several methods, which makes it more readable. I don't know C# conventions that much. Trust me, I mostly wing it sometimes. Or do my own conventions. Unity gives me depression, but Godot gives me hope in life. Yeah. Only thing in Godot that I have basically some things to nitpick is doing plugins, because with C# they are bugged. And besides that, the gravity system isn't working out of the box. You basically need to code in the physics process how you want the gravity to work. In something like Unity, you just define a gravity scale in the rigid body. Here, you need to actually go in the code and calculate gravity. So yeah, C# could, though, is more bugged than GDScript. Yeah. Welcome to my pain. It used to be so much worse, yeah. Hopefully they are working on it now. It's how you make the word easy. Toxic first type instead of easy type. What's that emote? Easy. Makes it toxic. Next add noob. Congratulations. Toxic. Mr. Kitty, trust me. In League chat, that's way worse. They say way worse stuff there. Like, saying GG easy is only a way to basically trigger the losing team. Good notice. I could separate the play too, yeah. If I set my function size limit to 50 lines, I could do a lot of cleaning. Yeah, it can also work. Like, at the end of the day, it's mostly like how you define clean and readable. Saying noob is not allowed. Noob. It could be worse. Like in League of Legends, people say way worse stuff. Trust me. I've been playing League for the last... Let me see, we're on season 16. I started playing in season 4. So, 12 years. Yeah. In my opinion, function size limits is actually harmful. Actively harmful. To go on, King? Oh. Really? Give me a second. Okay, I've added noob as a permitted term. Well, to me, clean code is anything but this one mighty short guy showing 6k lines of mess in a single HTML file. Dear Lord, have people not heard of components? Yeah. There you go. Now you can basically say noob. Sorry, I have automod because sometimes people do push the buttons, and yeah. Noob. Yeah, noob. It doesn't count. Or you can censor it. What? Yeah. Twitch has a thing called auto moderator. It basically has a filter with profanities and what else, just to prevent people from doing it. It first gets caught, and I have to either allow it or deny it. Basically a way for me to moderate what happens in chat and prevent anyone from basically putting racial slurs and things like those in the chat. Yeah. You know, I actually love noob. Fair enough. But yeah. I've been yapping a lot. And I know I have been yapping a lot. I don't do C# or object-oriented programming really, so I can say anything about the code, but I don't see immediate red flags, yeah. A loop counts because it's a sex-based term. Same convention principle. No, way different. Oh, plural of noob doesn't count. Or for keyboard springs. But yeah, loop also gets caught as a sex-based term. The only issue is the choice of language. Hey! Someone that programs in C can't judge C#. We C#. Don't you get it? We C sharper. But yeah. C for me is basically a torment to program in. Well, C and GUI don't go together. Yeah. Keka. Let me see. I think this might be one of the last songs. Did I talk? Well, oh no, the cover is the last one. Next up is the cover by... guess who? She's in chat, but she's quiet right now. Hanabi, are you there? Your cover is almost here.
Hey, debuggers. How's your day been? Let me know if you need any optimization tips.
Let's see if she said something in private chat or something. Nope. Oh, there it is. There she is. I'm trying to draw a book cover in Hardtopia. But yay, my top cover. I was seeing because you were really quiet. But yeah, this son of a gun is not doing it correctly for some reason. So, what I'm gonna do is void message to continue. Sure, for now I'm gonna call it that. Call deferred. Oh, I can't do call deferred. Nani the hell. Godot, what the heck? I'm not a debugger, I'm a fry burger. For God's sake. Every C developer ever. Yes, I know it all exists, but I'll make a new one. The language of I'll do it myself. And it will have blackjack and... I can say the other words. A word starting with H. If you know, you know. Establishing dominance, yes. Let me see. I need to check why this son of a gun isn't working. Do I need to pass like call deferred here or something? Because this doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna follow inside of here, and I'm gonna follow somewhere in here. Dominant, sorry, number, not number. Let me see. If I called it here, will it work? Actually, let me try. Let me see. If I put void in here as a public void, message 2, just like that. Eventually I'll change the name, don't worry about it. I need an, not an action, what's it called? What do I call this? Action. It's a queue. I need a heck. Okay, I need to pass the story object, that's it. Chapter 1, part 1. Story, whatever. Just need to pass this here. Execute next section. And play open. If this doesn't work, I don't know what else will. Because this is driving me insane in the membrane. Let me check. I have access to spawn. Message to this. If this works. Oh yeah, it's your cover. I can write my own language first and use that, or just straight up start with the kernel. Why use Linux kernel when you can write your own? Huh? One time I had one Robux, and when I checked it gone, and I thought, huh, that's weird. Damn, Hanabi, you really know how to sing. God. Also, go follow Hanabi. She did a debut yesterday. Nah, Mayutao does though. Yeah, fair enough. Need to continue, I guess, yeah. Also, let me do this again. Does it also have this command? Let me check. Oh, there we go. Shoutout also works. But yeah, basically Hanabi did a debut yesterday. She mostly plays games, but also sings. And she's amazing. Go check her out. She's also part of the VTubers, basically the Portuguese VTuber group. It's what we are called technically. It's not written in stone, but most of the members have called it that. So yeah. Is this still the same one? Yeah, it is. Leo, wanna see some genus brain stuff? Sure. We're all sardines in there. Yeah. We are indeed. Sardines and cod. Because Portuguese. We had sardines and we have codfish. So yeah. But yeah, it's been fun since we basically started that community. Today I was in the voice chat and it was really fun. Need to drop by more times. Let me see. Oh, I have to wait 17 minutes before I can do the shoutout command again. Fair enough, Twitch, fair enough. But yeah, how is everyone's day going? I normally ask this, but I was forgetting. Okay, go. Please work, please work. Son of a... Why, you little... Why does this not work? Mirror loading scene, yeah, that's fine. Can auto-translate. Can redraw. Use call deferred. Use call deferred, use call deferred, use call deferred. Godot has the most useless exception messages. Let me see. Where did it get triggered? In the display next message. On the set text. Do I need to call the Hold on. Is this why it's been bugging me out? It's because I'm setting the text and it can't redraw because it's not in the process. Joke desu ne. I swear to God, sometimes you make me want to, you know, rewrite your code in .NET. But yeah, moving on. I think I know the reason and I know how to fix it, maybe. Okay, did you know if you put water on a rock, nothing happens, but if you put some more, nothing happens, but if you do it over and over again, nothing happens? Yeah, fair enough. Rust is painful. Yeah, indeed it is. And somebody's name here does not speak enough of it. Hint, hint. Who? Wait, who doesn't speak enough about it? Was it? Was that about me? No. Let me see. Let me continue with this before. What is Rust's main concept? Ownership and borrowing. Oh! What does Rust have? A borrow check? 10 out of 10 with that one. Okay, I approve. Streamer approved. Okay. Let me do this before I forget again. Add message. Here. This little crap. Okay. Call deferred. Display next message. I need to put name off. That's right. Name off. Display next message. You may use Arch, by the way, but I borrow checks, by the way. Sure, Katie, go ahead. Let me see if this fixes it. For those that don't know, basically Godot has a .NET
Hey,
compiler.
refactors. What games have been keeping your loops alive today?
It was a mistake to give them a soundboard, huh? Alright, moving on. What was I saying? Because now I forgot. Oh, yeah, I was explaining. Godot has basically a .NET compiler that converts .NET code into references for Godot script to act as a compiler in a way. And it's the most messed up thing I've ever seen. Sometimes I need to basically call a deferred by the method name in order to summon a method. Basically defeating the purpose of naming a method. Because I need to call it from a different point. So the Godot compiler picks it up and says, okay, this method has been called. Let me process that. Why Godot? Call deferred kind of beats the purpose. Wait, Leo, I realized something, not to be rude, but you look like a fanboy. Yeah, don't say. What made you basically guess that? Like, it's not like I put the fanboy tag in the video sometimes or something like that, huh? But yeah, technically yes. My VTuber persona technically is a fanboy. It wasn't on purpose, but now it is. What's your favorite gun? Why are you asking me about military stuff? Are you American? Like, do you want to know what kind of gun I have? Because that is a way of asking me if I'm American. I don't know. You know, Roblox filled with fanboy. I mean, fanboys are a common thing nowadays. So yeah. Let me see. How's everything? Okay, everything seems calm. But yeah, I fixed the bug. It was a call deferred. Now it works. Yay! You saw that. Yay, it worked. Let's do it again now without me basically waiting. Kinda want to see, like, okay, and that should do the trick, initializing Tulip now. Hey Code Rep John, welcome on in. What is going to have so much fun? Huh? I don't get the question. Yeah. I think it's a common thing with fanboys, but I don't know. I'm not one to judge. This is a safe space for everyone. But yeah, we now have this working. So, next message, it should now initialize Tulip. It's a bit too fast still. Rust is painful, it is, but I still think it's one of the better languages out there. Is it though? I know the Linux kernel will now have Rust compiled apps, but I think Linus is still taking a look at it. I'm not sure. I've heard the rumors about it, but don't think I've seen it yet. Let me see. Translation not found for chapter 1, message 2, language EN. That makes sense because I didn't put in the reference file. You know, it opens slowly and pops Tulip out. It's officially a part now. Really? I think the kernel I have on my machine still doesn't have it, but I'm not sure. Let me do a simple command here on the side. uname-r yeah, I have 6.8 at the moment. So yeah. Let me zoom in for those that can see. Yeah, I don't see the problem with fanboys and furries, honestly. Sorry, feeling a bit sleepy. It's already been 2.5 hours, so the exhaustion is starting to kick in. But yeah, I did my mission for the day, which was doing this part of the story, checking that all my code works. Which distro do you use? Ubuntu. I use Ubuntu 24.04. Hopefully this year I will upgrade to 26.04 once it's stabilized for streaming. But yeah, for now I'm keeping on 24.04. Ubuntu my goat, yeah. I've had this system installed for the last 1.5 years, basically. Sometimes it gives some errors, but easily fixable, so... Ouch, by the way. Of course. Soon you'll be called a fanboy as well, Epoch. So get ready. Oh wait, you're already called one, technically. I'm joking, obviously. Don't take me seriously. Hey Juan, welcome on in. I'm using CachyOS. I've heard good things about CachyOS. I've not yet used it. Since Ubuntu has been working, basically I haven't touched any other OSs. I use for my server shenanigans, currently daily writing macOS. Yuck! macOS. Yikes. I'm joking. Did you ever take over that kid by Nuclear? That is one big song. Nope, it hasn't passed on my radar. Remember one went from Java 8 to Rust through 2023 in 4 months for learning. Then another 4 months of experiments like a Discord bot that we abandoned anyway. Wow. So Rust hit hard, but going from Rust to C++23 was less painful. Huh, interesting. Yeah. Good rep. You're learning Hyperland. Apoc on Twitch also uses Hyperland. I don't have the patience to learn it. I'm too used to the GUIs of XFCE and something like that. I think it should censor the word fanboy before everyone says fan. Newsflash, they already do. And I don't care, because technically that's true. Yeah. All that's missing is me putting the fanboy tag on the stream. I don't know why I haven't done it yet. Oh. Oh well. Rust makes only sense if you know why C is bad, otherwise you're gonna suffer. C is what I call the memory management nightmare. I've had C classes, and it was pure torment for me. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. So yeah. Okay, now with this out of the way, let me commit all of my code before I forget. What was the ticket number for this? Give me a second. I need to go open the... Why is this? Okay, for some... For a bit I thought this was Uma Musume, but no. Okay, tickets on Megaleo. Let the web app kinda load a bit. Don't know too much, but a few things: const, east, west, and whatnot. No pointers. Terrible bit shift, precedence order, context-dependent parsing. Holy, Magic Compiler implementation not part of intrinsics. And when semicolon, when not. Confusion that makes parser writing harder. Damn. Okay, why is my ticketing system taking so long? Azure. Did you take my app down? I swear.
Hey Leo, if
Time
the
out.
debuggers hit that Prime sub button, the stream runs ad-free and you unlock an arsenal of
Okay,
super
there
cute
we go.
emotes. Think of it as adding a glaring patch to the
The
code
SQL
base.
server was
This
down.
way, everyone
That's
gets
why.
a smooth, sparkling experience while
Log in.
cheering on the action.
Okay, there we go. If I go here, tutorial room, okay, I kinda can put it under that one. Number 8, started working on animation for tutorial room. And push. There we go. And yeah, basically that's it. I know I said on Discord that I would play Hollow Knight, but after everything, I kinda feel tired and I should go rest. Cause I spent 2 hours and a half just coding this and fixing issues. Besides, basically chat distracting me. So yeah, I think for today I'm gonna take a rest. Tomorrow we continue. I should continue on the tutorial room. I need to design it based on a sketch I have and basically finish that. So yeah, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna see who to rate, and yeah, basically that's it. He did a good job, Sensei. Arigato gozaimasu. But yeah, thank you all for joining. He said job. Okay, just because of that, let me drop one final thing. Give me 1 second. I need to go grab something. Don't mind me. Why is this not Reddit? I swear to God. Okay, either way. Ah, job application jump scare. Yeah, only because he said that. Here, have a job application. I need that, not gonna lie. You are a VTuber now. That's your job. But yeah, let me close this down. And yeah. So yeah, thank you all for joining today. I hope you all had fun. And hope you enjoyed watching me code for Code Tulip. Tomorrow we have more of this and maybe Hollow Knight, if I can manage to basically shove into the schedule. And yeah, I'm gonna see who to rate. I pray to God to give me that. I hope you get something as well, Code Rep. We all need it. Alright, let's go. Yeah, let me see who to rate. But yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow at the same time. So yeah, have a nice day, night, whatever in your time zone. And class dismissed.